Hi everyone, it's me again, Mara. Welcome to Upcycle with Mara. So for today's video, I'm going to repurpose the corset pattern of Navarros into this kind of corset. If you still don't have this pattern, I link it down below so you can download it and make your own corset. Right now, I tape them together and redraw it in another piece of paper.
I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side.
Then draw a line from the center front through the armhole. Then I transfer the pattern in another piece of paper because I did a little adjustment from the size. For the pattern of the back piece, just fold the pattern in half and from the center front, move to left and right with 2 inches and fold it again. After that, cut the patterns in the fabric. Then after cutting the front piece, cut the back piece by folding from the center front 2 inches away. And do the same in the other side.
I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side.
Pin it and sew the front piece and the back piece together. By the way, the blouse that I upcycle comes with the inner, so I did the same with the inner. Then place the inner and the main fabric right side together and sew it. Then I cut a 1-inch wide strip for the loops in the back. And sew a bias by folding the sides and in the center. Then place the loops inside, pin it so they won't move together and sew it. suddenly I forgot that I will add the sleeves in this top, so right now I'm seam ripping the armhole that I sew. After seam ripping it, I connect the armhole by sewing a straight stitch. Then I place these sleeves in the main fabric, not in the inner, and pin it and sew with a straight stitch. After that, I fold the raw edges of the inner and do a top stitch or a hand stitch wherever you're comfortable. I also cut a 1-inch wide strip for the strings in the loops. And finally, another 1-inch wide strip to hem the raw edges in the bottom. Place the strip in the wrong side and sew a straight stitch. And fold the strip in the main fabric and sew again with a straight stitch. And by the way, I didn't add a boning here because the fabric that I use is so thin and see-through. But you can still add a boning, depends on the fabric that you use. Then I burn the end of the strings that I sewed to stop fraying. But suddenly, sometimes things doesn't go perfectly and the sleeves are so loose. So I decided to add an elastic in the top. And this is the final transformation.
Riding it back when you think you're slipping. In your head when we're driving home. Let you sleep in the cold of the winter. Warm the house with the clothes you wore. Just lead on, I'll come. Just lead on, I'll